Every day is a new opportunity. The moment you open your eyes, you decide whether to chase your dreams or let them slip away. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from determination, from effort, and from pushing through when things get tough. You will face obstacles. You will encounter failures. But remember, every setback is a step forward, a chance to learn and grow. Success isn't always instant. It's built on consistency, on the small wins that stack up over time. You have to believe in yourself. Set your goals high and never stop reaching for them, no matter how far they seem. The road to success may be long, but the journey is what shapes you. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you deserve. You are capable. You are strong. You are unstoppable. So start today. Take the first step and keep moving forward. Your success is waiting for you. Unlock your potential. The journey starts now.